Farming for the future. It's more than a tagline. It's something the Pavelski family has been practicing since 1873. And when Dave Knights partnered with Dick Pavelski in 1990 to form Heartland Farms, this fundamental belief was the initial building block for the company.
We try to maintain or be sure that the land and the water resources that we have and that we're entrusted with the management of are as productive or more productive 100 years or 200 years from now, because that's our future.
I want to give my kids, when I have them, the opportunity to join the family business if they so choose. I can't do that if we've used up all of our natural resources. We definitely need to maintain those to the highest quality that we possibly can.
Sustainability is the key focus of Heartland and is viewed as a three-legged approach: environmental, community, and economic sustainability. All three of these need to be balanced to ensure success. By planning a rotational crop schedule, planting cover crop to reduce erosion, scheduling irrigation only when needed, and using GPS-guided equipment to apply fertilizers, we're minimizing our impact on both our land and water resources. Working together with other family farms as suppliers of land, seed, and other services is a part of the Heartland Farms business model and success. By working with families who no longer want to continue farm operations, we've helped them continue in the ownership of the legacy asset of farmland. And we adhere to the same strict land management practices on these lands as we do on our own lands.
We will not take short-term gain at the expense of long-term productivity.
Today, we continue to succeed by following that core principle, along with hard work, attention to detail, and teamwork.
What Heartland Farms is a large potato and vegetable operation. Who Heartland Farms is a group of hardworking, dedicated people who have a common vision.
Our ownership and management team has countless years of experience in the industry, and they draw upon that experience to solve virtually any day-to-day situation that may arise.
And by gaining the different knowledge that each person has gained, I think it just makes you an extremely strong organization and kind of diversifies.
We'll all put our heads together and say, okay, from our experiences, here's what we learned, here's what I think we should do, and we go forward and we put our best foot forward and hopefully made the best decision and come out of it. So I mean, there's a lot of value, just mainly because of the experience and then the commitment that each other gives each other.
Detail-oriented is the number one thing. Everything is checked, double-checked, and triple-checked every day through the growing period, through the storage, through the end process to the final potatoes delivered to the chip factory.
Our attention to detail allows us to exceed our customers' expectations, and no detail can be overlooked as we supply one of the most demanding segments of our business, the potato chip industry.
That is one of the most difficult segments of the potato business, we believe, because they need to be stored at higher temperatures. We need to maintain very low sugar levels, and we need to understand the science of the potatoes. Understanding that science, and again, the very broad base of experience levels, expertise, and talent that we bring to the pool to address that particularly difficult issue is what I think sets us apart.
Heartland Farm Storage Facility is truly a state-of-the-art facility that can store enough potatoes to supply our customers throughout the year, not just during the harvest season. Each storage bin is an envelope system. Essentially, it's a building within a building.
Potatoes don't like free moisture. If they get in contact with free moisture, you have a chance of them breaking down. So with that envelope design, you do minimize any kind of condensation that you would get on the potatoes, on the ceilings or the outside walls.
Temperature and humidity sensors are monitored around the clock to ensure proper storage. Based on this information, changes can be made at a moment's notice. Our storage practices result in less shrinkage with more and better quality product going to our customers. Once the potatoes are in storage, they remain within the facility all the way to the shipping area. When ready, potatoes travel through a gravity-fed flume system to be graded. This minimizes the amount of machine handling, resulting in fewer defects. Heartland Farms takes the extra step to wash potatoes before grading and shipping, which results in more potatoes and less waste being shipped to our customers. Then our experienced graders meticulously pick through the entire bin of potatoes to remove undersized, green, and damaged potatoes, which are sold for feed. Again, this step is to provide our customers with more usable product and less waste.
If they overgrade, it's costing the company money. They're throwing good potatoes away. If they undergrade, we're going to hear from it from our customer and potentially cost us money too.
From there, the potatoes gently roll down the conveyor to be stationed for shipping. However, a few truly random potatoes are diverted to Heartland's Quality Control Lab.
They'll do a raw grade, which consists of doing a size profile, looking for any green potatoes, mechanical damaged potatoes, stuff that causes defects at the plant.
Those potatoes, as well as random samples directly from the storage bins, also go through fry and sugar tests. The fry test is performed to the same specifications as the customer. They look for color, browning, or defects and report them accordingly. The sugar test precisely measures the sugar content in the potato. Both of these tests will help determine if the potatoes are ready for processing or if the climate needs to be adjusted in the storage bins. All of this extra work and attention to the smallest of details results in the absolute best product delivered to our customers. We understand that technology can only take us so far. Our people and all of our passion is what truly sets us apart. We invite you to see for yourself what farming for the future means to everyone at Heartland Farms.